The Mazda MX-5 Miata is the essence of the sports car. It's been a benchmark for a generation, and that's true in its new fourth generation. The Miata has few direct rivals, but we'd put it in a back-to-back drive with cars like the Ford Mustang, Mini Cooper, Toyota 86, and Alfa Romeo 4C. The Miata is smaller than previous versions, and Mazda's applied an intricate set of curves to the body. It's more sleekly styled, with a more attractive front end and tauter proportions. Inside, the MX-5 has a low dash with big cockpit-style analog gauges and a horizontal instrument panel capped by an infotainment screen. Power is provided by a 2-liter inline-4 with 181 horsepower that was new for 2019. The rear-drive Roadster comes with either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic, and EPA ratings come in as high as the mid-30s on the highway. The Miata delivers a driving experience that's thrilling and satisfying in every way. Its ace in the hole is lightweight. It makes everything more pleasant, from the crisp turn-in to the amazing grip. The Miata has some body lean, and you have to work the engine to hit 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds, but trust us, it's worth it. While the interior is snug and makes some trade-offs in the name of performance, it's surprisingly practical. Tall passengers fit easily, there's a bit of storage between the passengers, and the top has never been easier to open or close. If only the infotainment screen tucked away or went away entirely. No crash test data is available, but the Miata has standard automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitors. Priced from the high 20,000s, the MX-5 Miata comes standard with a 7-inch infotainment screen, air conditioning, and a 6-speaker audio system. Upgrades include BBS alloy wheels, Brembo brakes, Recaro seats, and leather upholstery.